Welcome to Move HQ. In this video, we will review the navigation and personalization of Move HQ. From your home page, you will see a blue menu bar, which gives you access to the modules that you use the most. In the All menu is where you're going to find additional modules not listed on your blue menu bar. The global search gives you the ability to search a specific module or all records, and then it will display the findings. Within each module, the left panel represents all the information for that particular module, and not just the opportunity list. The dashboard is going to be in a future enhancement. The recently modified are files that you've selected and most recently modified. And you can also hide the left panel by choosing the arrow. You can also right-click on a module from the blue toolbar and open it into a different tab. Within a customer file in each module, you can click the link to move within Move HQ. Now we will review editing your preferences. To access your preferences, you come to your login name, hit the down arrow, and hit My Preferences. From this point, you can hit your Edit button. From here, your login and role will not get edited. You're going to leave that just the way it is. When you come down to the calendar settings, you have the ability to select the starting date of your week for your activity calendar, such as Monday. Also, when you want your day to start as far as a time. In other words, another example would be 8 a.m. The date format we suggest you keep in month, day, and year. And you also have the ability to calendar your hour format, either 12 or 24. You want to be sure that your time zone is selected correctly, and you also have the ability to select a default activity view based on how you would like to see your to-dos and your activities. You can set a default call duration, which is based on a phone call. You can set up to 5 minutes or whatever you would like it to default. You can also set the other event durations, and this would be pertaining to a meeting. So you can set that as well. You can also select a default status for your event. So if you would like it to automatically be planned, you can select that. Also, with your activity type, if the majority of what you have are calls or meetings, you can select that to default as well. Your pop-up reminder interval is when do you want to be reminded of that event that's coming up. And you also have the ability to select hide completed calendar events. So once an event is completed, it'll automatically not show on your calendar anymore. The currency and number field configuration will not get edited. Under more information, this is optional information. You can put in title, facts, those type of things. You do want to have your theme on tight view. You also want to make sure that your language is correct, and your default record view you can select from either summary or detail, depending on what you prefer. And your row height should also be selected at narrow. You do have the ability to automatically hide your left panel if you would like by just selecting this box. You can also add your user address if you would like. It's not required. Adding a photo is an option as well. All the other fields here, the user advanced options, SMTP user, and tag cloud will not get edited. So once you're done with that, you will hit your save button. And those are some of the personalization settings within Move HQ. I hope this was helpful.